Lucas loves to play. His room is a world of wonder, filled with bright building blocks, fast race cars, and tall towers. But when playtime is over, the floor looks like a giant puzzle with missing pieces. "Time to clean up, Lucas," called his mom from the hallway. Lucas sighed and looked around. The mess felt too big to fix, and he couldn't even find his favorite red race car. He sat down sadly next to his stuffed elephant, Ello. Suddenly, Ello gave a little wiggle and his trunk twitched. "Did you know," Ello whispered in a friendly voice, "that your toys love having a home just as much as you do?" Lucas's eyes went wide with surprise. "When the blocks are scattered all over the floor," Ello explained, "they feel like they are lost in a dark, lonely forest. They want to go back to their bright blue bin so they can rest together." Lucas stood up quickly. "I don't want my blocks to be lost," he said. He began to gather the blocks by the handful. Clink, clink, clunk! Into the bin they went, like little soldiers marching home. As he cleared a path through the forest of toys, something shiny caught his eye near the edge of the bed. "Look, Ello, my red race car!" Lucas cheered. It had been hiding under a stray sock all along. Next, they found the rest of the stuffed animals hiding behind the door. "To the hammock!" Lucas shouted. He helped Ello and the other plush toys climb into their cozy mesh net. They looked much happier in their soft, high nest. Soon, the floor was wide and clear. The carpet looked like a big, open field. Lucas did a little victory dance, spinning around and around. There was so much room to jump without stepping on a single block. "Now," Ello said, sitting comfortably on the bed, "everything is ready for tomorrow's big adventure. When you wake up, you will know exactly where your favorite things are." Lucas gave the elephant a giant, thankful hug. Lucas climbed into his bed and looked around at his tidy room. He felt proud and very peaceful. "Good night, Ello," he whispered. Cleaning up wasn't just a chore. It was getting the world ready for a brand new day of fun.